Riwruok mar johala e kaunti ma Embu dwaro mondo sirkand kaunti no luong romo machielo mapiyo tok ka romo mane owinjore otimre e kind sirkal kod kaunti no kod jochung' mochung' ne johala mar uso mitumba notore. Romo no geto mar ng'iyo weche machando jouso mag mitumba yo Embu. Jakom riwruok johala e kaunti ma Embu Charles Mugambi okwayo sirkand kaunti no mondo luong romo mapiyo kowacho ni lweny ni nyalo kelo ng'ikruok e migepe mamoko ma kaunti no ka ok otieke mapiyo. Bende giwacho ni kaunti no omakore kod duol makelo kwe pachoka mondo mi johala yud ratichgi mapiyo kaka nyalore.
The current misunderstanding between the thrift shop and our mitumba traders is a wound that, if left unattended, will infect the entire body of our local economy and spread to other sectors. We must be very careful as a county the precedents we set in this. Mitumba traders are an important part of our daily commerce, and your concerns about unfair competition and survival in the changing market are very valid. A lot of us have been fed, clothed and schooled through the mitumba business. No one wants to see you pushed out of the space you have occupied for years. Your hustle is the heartbeat of this town and as important as any other.
Kuna mambo ambayo kama county government mnafaa kufanya ndio hao wachuuzi pia waweze kupata customer. Kwa sababu ikifika 6, 7 customer hawezi enda kununua kwa sababu ya mambo na lighting. Na ikifika mambo na 6, 7 tena hakuna parking huko Embu. Embu imejaa. So county government tunafaa kuiomba kiconsider maneno ambayo inafanya.
So we are calling upon every stakeholder, the government, the county government, the mitumba committee, and then wakuje tukae chini tusikizane and see the way forward.